Hello guys, welcome back. It's Son of Tenspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Whirlpool freezer not freezing. Also, it would be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So if your Whirlpool's freezer here is running but not freezing, it can be really frustrating, especially when your food starts to thaw. And the good news here, there are a few simple steps here that you could try doing. So first things first is you may want to check the temperature setting. Now, first you want to open up your freezer here and look at the temperature control knob or digital settings. Now, depending on your freezer, it may be inside or outside, so go ahead and just check that out first and make sure it's set to the recommended freezing range, so which is usually around 0 Fahrenheit or negative 18 Celsius. Now, if it's set too high or warmer, the freezer won't get cold enough. So try adjusting to a colder setting. Also listen for a change in sound. It could mean that the compressor is kicking in. Also, you want to test the thermostat as well. Now, if the temperature setting seems to be fine but still not freezing, the thermostat might not be working properly. So try turning it from the lowest to the highest setting. Now, if the freezer kicks on or changes sound when you do this, the thermostat might be partially working. But if nothing changes, it could be a faulty one and you need to replace it. And also, you want to make sure that freezer has some space to breathe here. So you want to check how full your freezer is. So overloading, it can block air circulation, preventing cold air from reaching everything. On the flip side here, if your freezer is nearly empty, it might not stay cold either. So try to keep it around like 70 to 85% full for optimal performance. And also, in doing so, you may want to check the door seals around your freezer here. Now, a worn out or dirty door seal or door gasket here, the rubber seal around the door, can let cold air escape. Now, close the door on a piece of paper or dollar bill here and try to pull it out. Now, if it slides out easily, your seal might need cleaning or replacing here. So, a loose seal means cold air leaks and your freezer can't maintain freezing temps. And finally, you want to check for any frost buildup. Now, you want to open up your freezer here, look at the back wall. If there's a lot of frost, it could mean that your defrost system isn't working or airflow is blocked. So you want to unplug the unit and let it fully defrost. Now, plug it back in and see if it starts working normally again. If this helps, your defrost timer, heater, or thermostat might be faulty and need professional service. Now, in this case, speaking of services here, the last thing that you could try doing here is to reach out to a technician. Now, the best thing they could do is you may want to reach out to Whirlpool's customer service and see if they can actually connect you with a technician that knows how to fix the problem on your freezer. Now, most likely they may need to replace certain parts on your freezer here because again, it might be a hardware thing here, or they may need to basically replace the coolant or peon inside your freezer here. So that needs professional, in this case, assistance. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.